Welcome to an exciting revelation in the world of makeup, the new Mary Kay waterproof lip liners. These game changers are here to rewrite the rules of lip liners. Imagine a lip liner that remains unflinchingly loyal to your lips for hours on end. That's the magic of our waterproof formula. But that's not all. The creamy texture of these liners ensures precision with every application. And the built-in sharpener? It's your trusty sidekick to keep things in line. What's more, these lip liners are infused with nourishing ingredients like hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, offering conditioning benefits along with a pop of color. Now let's talk about the color range. We're offering 9 super saturated shades, including 5 stunning nudes. So whether you're a fan of the natural look or love to experiment with bold hues, there's a lip liner for you. Experience the beauty of a natural lip liner that stays loyal until you're ready to take it off. Dive into the captivating colors of these lip liners, designed to enhance every lip tone. Our Mary Kay waterproof lip liners come in 9 super saturated shades, each offering a soft matte finish that's hard to resist. From the versatility of 5 nudes that celebrate the beauty of a natural lip liner look, to the boldness of vibrant colors that command attention, these liners have something for everyone. The magic, however, does not stop at the shades. These lip liners are not just about defining the contours of your lips. They invite you to build your own lip look. You can wear the lip liner as a standalone lip color, outlining and filling in your lips with the creamy texture that glides smoothly along the delicate skin. But if you're seeking a more layered look, you can pair the lip liner with your favorite Mary Kay lipstick. The liner's fade and transfer-resistant formula helps your lipstick hold longer. And for those who love a glossy finish, these liners can be paired with a high-shine lip gloss for an irresistible shimmer. These lip liners are the perfect companions for your lips, offering precision, nourishment, and a lasting hold. And with their built-in sharpener, you'll never have to worry about a dull edge. Create your own lip look with these smooth gliding liners that resist smudging and smearing. With the Mary Kay waterproof lip liners, your lip game just got an upgrade. Beyond their beauty, these lip liners have a deeper story. Mary Kay is passionately committed to sustainability, as reflected in their lip liners' packaging. More than half of the materials used are post-consumer recycled, a testament to their dedication towards creating a better future. Every stroke of color you apply is not just a step towards enhancing your beauty, but also a step towards a more sustainable world. Enjoy the beauty of these liners, knowing you're making a sustainable choice. Bring these lip liners to life with the Mary Kay Mirror Me app. Imagine the convenience of trying on different shades of lip liners right from the comfort of your home. This innovative app lets you virtually dab on each of the 9 saturated shades, including the 5 nude hues, to see how they look on you. It's like having a personal beauty consultant at your fingertips, 24/7. But that's not all. By joining the ultimate luxury beauty experience, you'll be at the forefront of Mary Kay's skincare and makeup news. You'll get first-hand information about the latest product launches, beauty trends, and skincare solutions. It's like having a backstage pass to the world of Mary Kay, where beauty meets technology for an enhanced beauty experience. Click on the links in the description below to try the Mary Kay Mirror Me app and join the ultimate luxury beauty experience today. Stay gorgeous and stay in the know with Mary Kay.